Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important certification for Scrum Masters, that is CSM certification. I'll talk with the help of the with the help of the Avenger superheroes. So we require to unleash your agile superhero powers with getting or gaining the CSM certification. So don't miss a single minute for this video. You will get to know each and every step about the CSM certification, each and every information about the CSM certification in this video. So let's start with the introduction. Welcome Agile enthusiasts. Prepare to enter the world of CSM certification where Agile meets superhero adventures. Imagine becoming Agile Avenger, saving the project from chaos with your team, with your Scrum Shield. You should have to have that Scrum Shield to save your project, to remove all the hurdles in between your projects. So CSM certification is most important certification for the same. So it is not only important for your project purpose, but also if you are looking for the change, job change, and if you want to improve your resume skills, the CSM certification is most important over there because you can easily do it in shorter time span, and you will gain the Scrum knowledge as well. And this certification has the value in the IT market too. So yeah, let's start with what exactly the CSM is. CSM stands for Certified Scrum Master. Certified Scrum Master, brought to you by Scrum.Alliance. So there is one community for Scrum, that is Scrum.Alliance. They have created this certified Scrum Master certification. It's like unlocking agile superpowers ready to conquer any project challenge that comes your way. Okay, so if you grab the certification, you can unlock some of the agile superpowers. It is just like one superpower for you to work in the agile kind of projects. CSM benefits, it will level up your leadership skills. So, as a Scrum Master, you should have to have the leader. You should have to be a leader for your Scrum team. You will have to be a superhero for your Scrum team. So, if you are certified, then yeah, it will add the edge to you to become a superhero for your Scrum team. It harnesses your agile charisma to unite your team like force to reckon with. Okay, it will keep your team united. Okay, so next is about CSM exam. What exactly the CSM exam pattern is? So don't worry about CSM exam at all. There are 60 minutes exam. That exam is 60 minutes, and there are 50 multiple choice questions. So these are related to your agile knowledge and simple agile concepts. So CSM exam is not that much difficult, but in 60 minutes you will have to complete 50 multiple choice questions in that. If you can able to complete that, if you grab 74% percentage of mark, then yeah, surely you will become the CSM or certified Scrum Master. No prerequisite, so there are no secret liar or there are no wearing tights. So CSM is open to all. So everybody, if you are a simple programmer, if you are a developer, if you are a tester, if you are agile, if you are the team lead, tech lead, you can give the CSM exam. Okay, but there is one catch. You require to complete the CSM training before giving the CSM exam. So let's go to next slide, that is CSM certification level. So we have seen previously like the PSM has three certification levels like PSM 1, PSM 2 and PSM 3, like the game. But here only one game is there and you require to complete only one exam. After you complete that exam, you will become the certified Scrum Master, that is CSM. and you can wear the that certified Scrum Master badge with a pride. Okay, so training is much more required in CSM. So it's like joining the Avengers training camp. All Avengers are coming together and they are attending their trainings. You might have seen in the Avengers videos. So just like that, you require to finish the training before giving the CSM exam. Learn from agile mentors and become the hero for your Scrum team. And you can just remove all the impediments, whatever impediments are coming in between their project. So this is about training. So what we have discussed in this video, first, what is CSM? CSM benefits we have discussed. We have discussed about the exam pattern, how much percentage required to pass the exam, any prerequisites. We have discussed about CSM certification level as well. We have discussed about training, which is required training for to give the CSM exam. The training fees will vary. Then we will discuss about the fees. Okay. So now the exciting part, the CSM training class cost around $1,000 to $1,500 in USA. In India, it's between 40,000 rupees to 45,000 rupees. It's like investing your agile superhero origin story, the stuff of legends. Okay, so you can invest. Uh, if you invest that, you will surely become superhero for your team. You will surely become a scrum master. Okay. So what is the conclusion of this? So So we conclude that Agile is like an epic comic book journey where you adapt, overcome the challenges, and create the Agile magic. And just I want to conclude that CSM is most important certification for Scrum Masters, and you require to invest some amount of money if you want the change in the job, if you want a change in the role to Scrum Master, then yeah, at least one certification is required to the Scrum Master. So CSM is the best certification which you can complete, cover up in shorter time span. Shorter time span is very important over here. So if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment box. And thanks for joining our Agile Superhero Adventure today. May your Agile journey be fulfilled with heroic teamwork and victorious sprints. Okay. So I have just tried to make it in the Avengers theme. So I don't know how it is, but yeah, if you don't like it, just add a comment in the comment box so that I will do the straightforward videos from next time. If you want any agile related interview questions in the PDF format, you can just mail me on complexsql@gmail.com. I'll provide you that in PDF format for free. But the condition is you require to subscribe the channel before you are sending the mail. I'll check the your mail as well as your subscription, and then I'll provide you all the details. So thanks team. Thanks for listening this video till end. Cheers.